Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the studio for the like to comment share this video because it's amazing. Bro, look at that. What is this? Ha ha ha. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wow, look at how it's so amazing. Yes, and today I have received a new important update for iOS. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Bro, look at that. This is iOS 17.1. And today, I received something special on software update. And what is this? Ha ha ha. Get ready to see something? Let's check. Let's check. Ha ha ha. Checking for what? For update. And what? Boom. Look at that. I have a new update here. Just have that in front of you all. This is iOS 17.2. Can you imagine? Wow. 1 gigabyte. This is cool. This update into Jazz, Journal, and a new way to reflect on life's moments and preserve your memories. This update also includes action button and camera enhancements as well as other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. Why not? When you click on learn more, this is more information you have about this new update. Bro, I have no time to read all of this. You can read this by yourself. If you have action button in your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, you need to click just here to see what the new feature inside. I saw something that you want to click on action button, you can just translate something. When you talk, you translate, you can talk with another people from another countries and from other languages. Okay, this is cool. This is cool for me. I will use it to looking for wife. Looking for girls, so much girls. So now let's try to update this phone. Let me enter my passcode right now. And ha ha ha. And what? Hmm. I think that now added process is launched. Before doing this, let me go on Ada 64 to see more information about memories. Okay, as you can see, I have memories. When you click on memory, you can see this available storage and available RAM. Look at what I have here, my friend. What is this? Only 354 megabytes. Can you imagine? This is bad. Okay, now update requested. After this, get ready to download this and I will show you the selection process. Look at that. This is depending of your network connection. Not bad. Okay, tell me what you think about this. And now just wait a few minutes for this. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video because this is amazing. Okay, the downloading is okay. Now preparing update. Are you ready? Okay, get ready because this is cool. I have 100% of battery. It's really important to charge your phone before doing all of this. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Cool. Wait for what? Okay, as you can see, bro, the selection process started. Now, you need to wait. I don't know how many times, but you need to also need to wait for finishing of this installation. Wow, this is crazy. This is cool. Nice. Okay, wait a few minutes with me. Okay. There's something very cool here. That's here in front of me. And what? What is this? Look at that! Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.2. Ha ha ha. Cool. Now, let me enter my passcode. And welcome. Wow. This is good. This is amazing. Okay. Let's check software update. And boom. This is now iOS 17.2. Okay, cool. As you can see, this update comes with more features, so much features. But the only feature that I'm looking for is just to see if it's possible to make pause and resume when you're recording video. Look at that. This is video. Okay? When you click on this. What? So not pause and resume anymore. Yeah, we're not pause and resume. No pause and resume. What can you imagine? You can make pause and resume on some application like that. Can you imagine? Just autofocus improvement. Just only thing that you have here is autofocus improvement, and that is all. Can you imagine? Why Apple? Why Apple? Why? Why doing this to someone like me? Can you imagine? This is not great. This is the only update that I'm looking for. Why Apple? This is bad. This is sad. I don't like it. Damn. But there are so much features, so much things you can discover by yourself. Okay. Look at all of this. Can you imagine what you can do with this? And when you have so much messages, you can just have something here. You will see if you have so much messages, because I have not so much messages. I have not. Okay, now the thing that I want to see right now is memory. Okay, when I come on memory, let's see RAM, available RAM. Look at what I have, bro. I recommend to you to what? Look at that. Have you seen something? No. Let me enter my passcode. Really? Look at that. Journal. What is this? This is a new feature. Welcome to journal. You can see everything here. We're gonna click on continue. You can add something. Turn on journal or something. Bro, I have no time for this. The only thing I want is pause and resume on video. This is the only thing I'm looking for. Why Apple? Bro, let restart this phone to fix the problem of RAM. Just to have more available RAM. Okay? Let's see what I want to do right now. Just power off. When the phone is off. Wait a minute. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. You can also support my channel with PayPal, my link in the description, or YouTube. Ha 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 ha. YouTube, super things. What do we call this? Okay, look at under this video, there logo, dollar logo. You can support our channel and support our job. And what? And let's turn this phone right now because wow. Apple, why there are not music when you turn on your phone? I need to see music on or vibration also. Why? There are not music, there are not vibration, nothing, nothing. Why, Apple? Why? Why? No. Your phone is up to date. We started your phone on 11th. Good. No. Let's see available RAM. I had a 64 memory. Look at what I have now. Okay, not bad. This is good and nice. Let's see how it work. I don't know if you can see something different. This is 60s and this is my face. Oh, look at how I'm so beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Yes, look at that. Cool. This phone still optimized. No problem with this. I don't see different between the preview version or something. Bro, I don't see different. Nothing, no, nothing special in my case. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I can see I can see something different. The only difference is this application journal. Damn, bro, I don't know how to use this, bro. So bye bye. Maybe after I will tell you to see what is this. But right now, what I need, Apple, I need post and resume on camera. If you are not post and resume on camera, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Definitely not happy.